Good morning everyone from Czech Republic. Anna and Sophia are preparing to work in school. So they're leaving now. It's 7 o'clock in the morning, but it is still dark outside. Di ako kasi malamig sa labas. Bye. So I'll be alone at home with Maminka. Bye.
Bye.
Ahoy. It's cold. Cold, 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 cold. Ay. Mahangin kaya malamig. Pero at least hindi umulan, hindi nag-snow. Pero mahangin lang. Kaya malamig. Anyway, love you. You take care, yeah? Watch out when you cross the street. And watch out your back.
So cold today.
Cold because it's windy. And look at the Opava, the surrounding. It is really, really quiet. Pero medyo maulap yung kalangitan. Ganito lang palagi rito. Pero at least hindi nga umuulan. Okay. Okay. Bye. Magluluto ako ng sinigang kasi ang ating kaibigan na si June, nung nagpadala siya ng package dito, may sinigang na kasama, yung sa sachet. So gagamitin natin kasi masarap pag sinigang ngayon, malamig ang panahon, alam niyo na. Kaya lang, kulang tayo sa veg. Wala tayong gabi, wala tayong balatong okra, tsaka labanos. Pero okay lang. Meron tayong kunting repolyo. Lagyan natin ng repolyo. Sayang, wala tayong, hindi ko na plano ito eh. Kaya lang, nung pag-alis kanina ni Hana, papunta ng trabaho, sabi niya, pwede ba daw magluto ng sinigang? Kasi nakita niya nga itong binigay ni June. Ito, bigay ni June to eh. Sinigang. Yon. Okay. Sabi ko, kulang tayo ng vegetables. Sabi niya, okay lang. Kahit anong available dyan. So, importante, meron ito. Sinigang mix. Original Nor. Yan. So, yun. Meron akong pork belly. At dahil nga, si Hana hindi naman kumakain din ng taba ng baboy. So, ang ginawa ko ay in-slice ko, hiniwalay ko yung taba sa karne. Sa lean meat. At, yun, magluluto tayo. Alam nyo naman si Javit Boy, ito lang yung sa bahay. Parang ito yung kayang-kaya kong gawin, magluto. So tuwing alis si Hana pag umaga, mayroon niyang mission order na binibigay sa akin. O ito yung gagawin mo, okay. So, yun ang ginagawa ko. Ako yung taong bahay. Kahapon, ito yung tinira ko eh. Ito yung nilinis ko kahapon. Yung stairs, buong stairs hanggang sa silay. So ngayon naman, ang gagawin ko, mag-vacuum habang nagluluto, magbabacuum ako rito. Dito, ibabacuum ko to kasi hindi niya nakita. Sabi niya nga ni Hana sa akin, hindi mo nakikita, akala mo malinis. Pero dusty yan, kailangan mong i-vacuum. Hanggang doon sa living room, sa kitchen. Yan, babacuum ko yan. So yan, para pagdating din ni Sofia galing sa school, kasi dito siya nananghalian, at least may makain siya. So, sinigang na baboy at saka kanin ang kanilang kakainin ngayon. Sinigang! Hindi pala to yan. Pakuluan natin ng mga 1 oras pa para talagang lumambot yung karne. At napasok si Japit Boy. So nagsaing din ako para kay Sofia. Kasi mag-rice daw siya ngayon. Yan. Hindi ko pa nahalo yung sisigang natin eh. Ito. Original sa sampalok mix. Yan, di ba? Sarap ito. Siguro ubusin ko to. Ubos. Tsaka, naghanap talaga ako ng gulay dito. Kahit si Maminka walang gulay. Yan, tapos na ako maglinis. Tapos na ako mag-vacuum. So, buong floor na to, nag-vacuum ako. Kaya, nagluluto na lang ako. Para pagdating ni Hana, pagdating ni Sofia, ay makain sila. Yan yung oras, alas 12 na. Yan, alas 12 na. So, ang dating ni Sofia, mamaya pa yan kasi mamaya pa naman ang labasan niya sa school. Si Hana mamaya pa rin. Kasi nasa trabaho sila. So, kami lang dalawa ni Mamingka nandito. Si Mamingka nanonood ng TV, nagre-relax. Kasi hindi niya naman kailangan meron siyang pagkain dito. Ito yung pagkain ni Mamingka yan. Humihigop na siya ng sabaw. Yun, yan yung pagkain niya. Yan. Tingnan natin yung isa. Uy, wala na. Walang laman. Kaya, yun pala. Kumakain pala siya doon. Kumakain na siya doon. Tapos na pala siyang kumain, tanghalian niya. Nagpuprutas na siya. So, parang ito ata, hindi niya kayang ubusin. Kaya, iniiwan niya dyan. So, usually si Helen ang kumakain yan. Yan. Tayo sinigang. Para kay Hana at Sofia. Ito na. Sinigang. Yan, sinigang. Original sinigang. Ibuhos natin lahat yan. Kasi 1 litro to. Okay. Yan. Yan. Habang pinagpalambot natin. Mga 45 minutes pa. Okay. Ito na yung aking sinigang. Kulang man sa vegetable, pero talagang sinigang ang lasa. Hindi ko kasi naplano to, kaya hindi ako nakapamalingki para sa pang sinigang na mga vegetables. Pero meron siyang repolyo. Kaya, so hintayin ko si Sofia paparating na. Kape. Kapeng mainit sa malamig na panahon. Nagsombrero ako kasi malamig. Nakakatulong yung sombrero sa lamig. Pero may araw, mahangin. Ahoy! Dobro dyan. Yo. Ayan na Sofia. Ayan siya. Paparating. Hello. Beautiful weather, right?
I'm gonna tell you something.
So, you have a sinigang. Tell me you like it or not? The best? The best sinigang in the Czech Republic. Wait. Okay, so how's school? Wow, gutom na gutom si Pinkay ah. Gutom na gutom ang aming baby ah. You like it? What can you say? That's sinigang sour, right? Sour?
Mm-hmm.
You like sour?
It's okay.
It's okay? Sour for you. Sinigang. Yan yung galing kay Tito June and Tita Shi na pinadala nila rito. Sinigang. Yan. So how's school, Pinkay? Tell us about school.
Not much. Just normal school.
Normal school. What have you learned today?
I don't even know what I learned.
Math? English?
We were just repeating from math.
Repeat. This gonna be easy for you.
No, repeat. Like, for example, you learn about decimals. You don't just learn in one lesson.
Yeah. That's nice, Pinkay, no? I already ate. You want a fork? Sophia doesn't use fork. She usually she is really check knife and fork, but when she is using spoon, she never uses fork, just spoon. Pero pag mga dry yung pagkain niya, nagkakamay siya. Like adobo, she uses her bare hands. So she doesn't use spoon or fork. Once adobo is the ulam, nagkakamay siya. Basta dry yung ulam, nagkakamay siya. Pero pag may mga sabaw na, nag-spoon na siya, nagkukutsara na. So yeah, she just came from school. And Hannah still at work. At tatlo na kami rito. Si Helen, maya-maya darating na rin. Si Milan, hindi pa dumating. So, yun. Tatay was busy here today.
Doing what?
I clean. Mommy gave me job before she left work. Yesterday she gave me as well job. So, yeah, at least I have a pastime. Then I cook. Then talking to Bobby.
How do you talk to her?
You know what? I have English check-ups.
Even if you use it, you still don't get to talk to properly.
Yeah, but at least I know what she is talking about. If she tells me something, then I'm able to understand it because of apps. You like more? More? Enough? What can you say about the rice? You like the rice? Rice, potato. Rice, no? Especially this jasmine rice. You really like jasmine rice?
But if I had dry rice and potato, not jasmine rice, but the bad quality rice.
The bad quality rice. Yeah, I know. The one they bought here because they don't know what is good and bad rice.
I would choose potato.
There's no such thing as bad rice, but I would say that it's a not good quality rice. So that Czech people doesn't know about that. So they just buy rice. They just don't know that.
So you pick the best quality rice?
Of course, I know what's the best quality rice. Jasmine rice and basmati rice. These are good rice. But in Dado, we have as well Aplan, Dinorado. Yeah, we have so many choices rice in the Philippines.
What type of rice do they use? Like the dry type?
In Dado, I like Dinorado. These are red rice. But Dinorado.
Also in England, we also have the really dry rice. So dry.
So what your dessert? So we have here. Look at that. But I avoid now sugar. I don't know if Sophia likes this.
No, I don't. I like the layers, but I don't like the top.
Oh, with coffee. I have a coffee. Parang matutokso na naman si Japit Boy. Okay, I'm gonna have small portion.
Yeah, but these are nuts at the top.
I like it. I like
don't
this.
like the nuts.
Okay, I'm gonna reheat my coffee because I don't like cold coffee. It's a bit like, so what I do when I reheat my coffee, I put it in the microwave. Yeah. Yun. Yan, naghahanap na siya ng kanyang dessert. What's your dessert?
I'll find something like a chocolate. I'm trying to pick which one though.
Like what, you have a chocolate there? Ah, that's it?
No, I'll come back later.
You come back later. You have, what you call that? That one? Yogurt. Stracciatella.
Really bad?
Is that not stracciatella?
Where?
How you call that? How do you say it?
Stracciatella.
Stracciatella. Isn't it not?
No, that's blueberry yogurt.
A blueberry yogurt. Okay. Yeah. So, inaantay lang namin si Hana kasi nasa work pa. Kasi may bisita sa mamaya rito. Sinasort out namin yung insurance ni Sophia. Yung insurance na pag, alambawa, gaya nito, kasi may nag-advise sa amin, kung mayroon siyang insurance na about sa injury, kung na-injure siya, sana makakakuha kami ng pera. Sabi ganon. So, maliit lang naman nababayarin, kaya lang, mas maganda talaga pag may insurance ka. Bukod sa free hospital na talaga rito, pero mas maganda pag mayroon ka talaga insurance. So, whatever happens to you, injury, while you're in the hospital, you can get some money.
Dad, you like your new camera?
I like my new camera. Yes, I like my new camera. Yeah. How's school? Was how's school?
Normal.
Normal. But what have you learned today? You didn't learn that today? Huh?
No, you just like recap everything, like.
Just recap?
But I need to ask mommy about Czech language, so because we learned something in Czech language, I didn't understand it.
Okay. But some of the subjects of gaya ng math, nag-i-excel and stuff. What else other subject that you really like, Pinkay? Math. What else? She doesn't like really geography. What else she doesn't like?
I don't like physics.
Physics!
I mean, physics is okay. It just sometimes it depends what you learn.
But her favorite is math. It's easy for her.
I mean, like, the easiest subject for me now is math, but...
Anyway, so I'm happy to hear that, you know. And let's have coffee.
I don't drink coffee, so...
Drink anything.